and it also lowers cholesterol. So if you don't know, garlic lowers blood pressure and it lowers cholesterol. Now, one adverse effect of garlic, just like anything, if we overdo it, it may cause an odor. Yeah, that's simple. You know, you might eat the garlic and someone, you go and talk in someone's face or in their space, they can smell that garlic scent coming from you or from your mouth. And one contraindication, if you're using garlic for any medicinal purposes, please, if you are on anticoagulants, which is anticoagulants are medication that helps to stop blood clotting, you know, kind of have your blood flowing. If you are on any of these medications, anticoagulants, please do not take garlic. All right. Do not take it with anticoagulants. All right. And if you know someone who is on anticoagulants and they're taking garlic, you can also inform them, let them know that it's not recommended to take garlic once they are taking anticoagulant medications. Now, the next one that I want to highlight to you today is the Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba. Now, what Ginkgo Biloba does for people who study a lot, they normally take some of that, consume some of that because it helps with your memory. So for people who have memory issues, Ginkgo Biloba helps with your memory, you retaining information. All right. So I also want you to know that don't use Ginkgo Biloba with anticoagulants. So along with garlic, Ginkgo Biloba is not recommended to be taken if someone is on anticoagulants. All right. Now, the next one that I want to talk about is the Echinacea. Does anyone know what is Echinacea? Does anyone know what is Echinacea? All right. So this is what it looks like. So if you've ever seen anything like this before, this is Echinacea, right? This beautiful flowers. It looks like something that we've seen in Jamaica. Yeah. But yes, Echinacea is very good. It improves your immune system. It's an immune booster. And normally when it's a flu season, it's very